Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about how to share your NGL link on Facebook story. And right here, I'm currently inside the NGL application. What you're going to do is there's going to be step 1 and step 2. First, make sure you copy the link there. Perfect. It will automatically prompt you to the next step. Just click on clicking. Next step. Open up your IG application or Instagram application. It will automatically prompt you on a story. Next, click on that sticker, that guy right there. Choose the one that says link, this one right here. Perfect. And then basically paste the one you have from earlier. Now, if you have an error that you cannot really paste it, go back in here, copy the link one more time, go back on your Instagram story, should be this one, paste it right there, and there we have it. You can customize your sticker text, but for now, I'm gonna be good with this one. As you can see right there, you can even change how it looks like. For me, I'm good with this. Click on this one right there. On the plus icon, make sure you click on story. You can choose sharing options for this one. You can choose close friends. And you should see Facebook right here also. As you can see right there, share your Instagram stories to Facebook automatically. Click on share stories for this one and you'll be good to go. And basically that's it. I'll catch you guys on the next one.